Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing one of my all-time favorite kitchen secrets. Yes, my vibrant flavor-packed green marinade. Yes, whether you want to grill, roast, or just want to, you know, make your meals to the next level. Like, that next level meal that people will keep asking, who cooked this food? Yes, that's what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be showing you how I make that secret green marinade that you can use to just elevate your cooking. Yes, if this is something you are interested in watching, let's get started. So the first thing I'll be doing, I'm going to be putting water in a big bowl. I'll be adding my salt because I want to rinse the vegetables that we'll be using. This is very important, guys, very important. So I'm going to list out all the veggies and in the description box. So in there I have my spring onions, rosemary, fresh thyme, rosemary, spring onions, ginger, fresh thyme, garlic, and I have green bell peppers. Yes, I'll be using 2 green bell peppers in there. So, and then my white onions, white onions, parsley, basil. Yes, I'll also be adding scotch bonnet and black pepper. So I almost forgot that part, but I later included it in the video. So yes, to start off, I'm going to be washing the veggies thoroughly. This is really important, guys. So just take your time, wash your veggies, and please make sure you also deseed the bell peppers. It is really important. Please deseed the bell peppers, cut it into to remove the seeds inside, and that's just about it. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe, this is a good time to do so. Just hit the red button and like this video. Thank you. So I cleaned it twice, and this is what I mean by deseeding your bell peppers. Cut it open, remove the seed, and if possible, cut out the stem. Yeah. So I'm done cleaning, and now it's time to chop off the spring onions. So we're chopping it off just to make it easier for the blender to blend for us, and that's what I'm about to do now. So I'm just going to chop it, and after chopping it, I'll move on to the other veggies. So this is the first thing I'm going to be putting into the blender. So next is my parsley and my basil, and then I'll be adding the thyme, the fresh rosemary, and the green bell peppers. Yeah, this is the fresh rosemary. I'm just going to pluck it. Yes, because the stem is really hard. I don't want to stress my blender, so I'm just going to pluck it and I'll put it into the blender as well. So I'll also be chopping off the green bell peppers. All of these are just to make it easier for the blender to blend it. So guys, please, if you are not yet subscribed, this is a good time to click on the subscribe button and like this video. When you like this video, it's going to make YouTube know that people are liking the video, and YouTube is going to recommend my videos to more viewers. So please kindly like the video and subscribe. So I'm done chopping off my onions, and I'll be adding my garlic. So you guys, I've added everything at this point. Okay, I think I have one more rosemary that I almost left out. So this is my ginger, and then you guys are going to be adding 1 scotch bonnet. If you have the green one, fine, but if you don't have the green one, you can always substitute with the red scotch bonnet, which I'll be using as well. So I'll be adding my olive oil. This is the basil infused olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use your vegetable oil. Preferably, you can use vegetable oil actually, but because I have the basil infused oil, olive oil rather, that's why I'm using it. So I've added the scotch bonnet there, just one because it's very hot. Now I added black pepper. Now it's time to blend. So the olive oil is going to make it easier for me to blend. So guys, I'm just going to blend it into like a very smooth paste, guys. Also, there's something worth mentioning. I know some people always add their seasoning powder into this green marinade, but it's totally optional. If you want, you can. So I'm done blending now. I'm going to be pouring it into my jar. It's like if you have a jar, you can pour it inside your jar, and you can also pour them into your ice cube maker, which I'm also going to be doing. So after pouring into my jar, I'm adding the infused oil again, and now I'm done pouring it into the jar and the ice cubes. So I'm going to freeze the one in the ice cube, and you guys will be seeing what it will look like after freezing. So yes, the one in the jar can be put in the fridge. It's going to just be there so long you have like consistent power supply. There's nothing is going to happen to it. And then the ones in the ice cube, definitely, because it's going to be frozen, nothing is going to happen to it as well. So this is about 6 hours later. The one I put in the ice cubes are frozen, so you can just arrange them into your ziploc and put it in the freezer, so you can get them out anytime you want. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.